The M20W is designed for professionals who need more than just thermal images. While many thermal cameras can identify temperature differences, real inspections often require accurate measurement, detailed analysis, clear documentation, and quick decision-making all while you're still on site. That's where the M20W stands apart. It combines high-performance thermal imaging with a comprehensive set of onboard inspection tools, allowing you to perform much of your analysis directly on the camera without relying on external software. Whether you're carrying out electrical maintenance, built-in inspections, or industrial diagnostics, these features help streamline your workflow, from identifying a problem to documenting your findings. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the smart capabilities that make the M20W a powerful tool for professional thermal inspection. Some inspections are too far away or too risky to approach. That's where digital zoom makes the difference. The M20W has up to 8 times continuous digital zoom that allows you to magnify distant thermal targets without changing your position. Whether it's a building facade, rooftop equipment, or a high-voltage setup, you can quickly inspect hard-to-reach or restricted areas with greater detail. What if your thermal camera could alert you the moment equipment starts overheating? This thermal imager features audible and visual alarms that trigger whenever it detects over temperatures and warns the user on the spot. You can simply go to temperature measurement settings and set your desired alarm threshold. Once enabled, you can choose how the camera responds. It can sound an audible warning, flash its ND, automatically capture a thermal image, and even control a minimum interval between alarm notifications to avoid repeated alerts. As soon as the temperature exceeds the preset limit, the camera instantly alerts you and captures the event automatically. The M20W also features a large memory size of up to 32 GB. It allows thermal video recording to ensure that you don't miss a single spot. Need voice notes during an inspection? Audio recording is enabled by default. Prefer a silent recording? You can easily turn it off from the capture settings. The M20W offers impressive storage capacity referred up to 160 hours of standard MP4 video, or up to 50 hours of radiometric video, giving you plenty of room for extended inspections. Getting the right temperature isn't just about pointing a thermal camera, it's about measuring the right area. The M20W offers multiple on-screen temperature measurement tools, including spot, mine, rectangle, circle, and delta T, allowing you to inspect components with greater precision. For this inspection, we're using the rectangle and circle tools to measure larger areas instead of a single point. This provides a clearer understanding of heat distribution across the target. To improve measurement accuracy even further, you can adjust parameters like emissivity and distance, while choosing to display the maximum, minimum, and average temperatures for each selected area. With the right measurement tools and settings, the M20W delivers more reliable thermal data for confident inspection and analysis. Capturing thermal images is incomplete without also recording the analysis done on the spot. The M20W lets you add multiple types of annotations, making every inspection easier to understand, document, and share. Start with a text note to add inspection details such as equipment ID, fault description, location, or maintenance remarks directly to the captured image. Need to capture observations quickly? Simply record a voice note to explain the issue without typing perfect during field inspections. You can also attach up to 3 visual images as picture notes, giving additional context alongside the thermal image for easier reporting and analysis. Want to highlight a specific area? Use sketch notes to draw directly on the image, mark fault locations, or emphasize components that require attention. All your annotations are stored with the inspection file, making it easy to review, export, and create detailed inspection reports later. Better documentation means better decisions, and that's exactly what the M20W delivers. Your inspection doesn't end with capturing a thermal image, it ends with a clear, professional report. Using the Analyzer software, you can review and analyze thermal images in detail, compare temperature data, and organize your inspection findings with ease. Generate professional inspection reports in just a few clicks, making it easier to present findings, maintain records, and share actionable insights with your team or clients.